Hello students, welcome back to your grammar session. Now today we will continue with the chapter capital letters and punctuation marks. In the previous session we saw what are punctuation marks and we saw about the capital letters, okay, comma, full stop, question mark and exclamation. Now in this session we will see apostrophe and quotation marks. Now before starting the topic, I will request you all to read with me loudly. My dog's name is Brown. His head's shaped like a crown. Brown's very smart dog. He can even see when there is a fog. Okay, the highlighted words in the poem carry a raised comma. Can you see raised comma? Okay, D-O-G, then raised comma and then it is S. So that raised comma is called a punctuation mark. It is also a punctuation mark, okay, and it is called apostrophe. The raised comma in the sentence, in a word, it is called apostrophe. Okay, now this is one poem. Okay, I have divided this poem into two slides. First 4 lines are here. Now let me explain you how this apostrophe is working. Okay, for example, here my pet dog name is Brown. Okay, Brown, किसका नाम है? Dogs. Okay, then this line tells you that the name of the pet dog is Brown. Dog's name is, okay, what is the name of a dog? Brown. Okay, and heads, okay, his head shaped like a crown. Okay, heads. This line tells you that the shape of a Brown's head is like a crown. Okay, heads means head is like a crown. Okay, and the other sentences I will show you in next slide. Again read with me aloud. All day long he is jumping around, but when we are praying he doesn't make a sound. Brown is everyone's pet. I'm so glad that we met. Now these words like he's, there's, doesn't, everyone's, I am and we are have been shorted for. Short form जो बनाया है किसका? He is, there is, does not, everyone is and I am and we are. Okay, are you getting me? So this apostrophe is also used when we have to make a sentence short. जैसे doesn't, D-O-E-S-N-T. This is what? Does not. This shows that when we are praying, he doesn't make, means he does not make a sound. Okay, so Brown is everyone's pet. Okay, everyone's pet. And I am, see, I apostrophe am. This means I am. I am so glad that we met. Okay, so why apostrophe is used? Okay, an apostrophe is used to show possession. Means it means something belongs to somebody. Okay, कुछ चीज़ किसी को belong करती है. For example, this books belongs to me. Okay, this pencil belongs to me. So it is like कि किसकी चीज़ है वो हमें अगर बताता है, so we can use possession. For example, it means something belongs to somebody or someone belongs to somebody. Okay, for example, dog's name, everyone's pet. Okay, dog's name, ये जो ब्राउन जो है वो डॉग का नेम है. ओके, एंड एवरीवन्स पेट, किसका पेट है वो? सबका पेट है. ओके, सो दिस बिलोंग्स, ये कि डॉग का नाम क्या है एंड वो डॉग किसको बिलोंग करता है. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट हाउ पोजेशन इज यूज्ड. नाउ द पर्सन टू whom something belongs is called the possessor. Okay, if I am having a book, okay, then this book belongs to me. So I am the possessor of the book. Okay, ये मेरी बुक है इसीलिए ये बुक का possessor कौन हुआ? Me. Okay, similarly if something belongs to you, then you are the possessor of that thing. Okay, you are the owner, it belongs to you. Okay, now when the possessor is singular, listen to me carefully. When the possessor is singular, the apostrophe is used after its name. Okay, name के पीछे लगेगा apostrophe s. कहाँ लगेगा? name के पीछे. For example, this doll belongs to Geeta. Okay, so what it will be? दिस इज गीताज डॉल. सी, गीताज किसकी डॉल है? गीताज. गीता इज द possessor. Okay. The second sentence is the tail of the dog is curved. Okay, the tail of the dog is curved. So how we can convert this sentence? The dog's tail is curved. किसकी tail curve है? Dog's. Okay. So this is how it works. The another example I will give you. The teacher clapped at the answer given by Anuj. Okay. The teacher clapped at Anuj's answer. Apostrophe S लगेगा. Okay. Anuj के पीछे. Okay. So these are the few examples. This shows to possession. मतलब this is something that belongs to someone. Okay, that is a thing which belongs to someone. For example, this doll belongs to Geeta. So this is Geeta's doll. Okay. And when the name of the possessor ends with the letter S. Okay, अगर पहले से ही ऐसा हो कि किसी का जो नाम है, possessor का जो नाम है वो S पे ख़त्म होता है. Okay, the apostrophe is placed at the end and no S is added. Okay, since the S is already at the end of the word, another S is not required in the addition. Okay, in such case, मतलब अगर किसी का नाम जो है जो possessor है, अगर उनका नाम पीछे S से end होता है, okay, ऑलरेडी उनके नाम के पीछे S है, then we don't have to put extra S, but we have to put apostrophe. For example, Mana's book were covered neatly. Tejas shirt is new. Okay, तेजस की स्पेलिंग में, मनस की स्पेलिंग में ऑलरेडी पीछे S होता है. Then we don't have to put another S. We will just put apostrophe. Okay. Now, apostrophe is also used to show an omission or contraction. Okay, an apostrophe is also used to show omission of a letter or the shortened form of a word. Omission means, contraction means अगर किसी word को short करना हो तो, for example, there is, he is, we are, I am, etc. जैसे poem में हमने देखा था. Okay, so that is called contraction of words. Now for example, he is the best student of the class. Okay, he is, can you see? H-E, he, and I-S, is. Okay, he is the best student of the class. So similarly, what we will do is, we will just write H-E, he, apostrophe S. Okay, he is the best student of the class. पढ़ने में सेम है, बोलने में भी सेम ही होगा. Okay, but we will use his. Okay, we will remove I and we will just add apostrophe S. The second sentence is, I am not going to the market. I am not going to the market. Now can you see what we have done in the sentence? We just removed A and we added apostrophe in between. I apostrophe am. Not going to the market. I am not going to the market. Okay, इसको ऐसे read करते हैं. The other sentence is, they have not played cricket before. Okay, I am giving this extra sentence. Just listen to me. They have not played cricket before. They haven't. Haven't means N-O निकाल दिया, not. They have not. H-A-V-E-N-T, H-A-V-E-N apostrophe T, played cricket before. Okay, so this is all in your book 2. So you will understand when you will solve the exercise. Okay, so this is how the apostrophe is also used in the contraction of a word, of a letter. Okay, now we will talk about quotation mark. Okay, quotation mark is also known as, it is a kind of a punctuation marks. Okay, now quotation marks are punctuation marks used to show the exact word of the speaker. They are also called inverted commas. Okay, quotation marks को inverted comma भी कहते हैं. Now quotation marks usually contain sentence spoken by someone. Okay, जो सेंटेंस दूसरे बोलते हैं, अगर हमें उसे डिफाइन करना रहता है, so we use quotation mark. Now there are two inverted commas in the quotation mark, that is open inverted commas and the close inverted commas. Okay, so open inverted commas are placed at the beginning of the sentence spoken. Okay, जो beginning मीन्स जो सेंटेंस शुरू होता है वहाँ लगाते हैं open inverted commas, and close inverted commas are placed after the speech is completed. Okay, जो close inverted commas होते हैं वो क्या है, जो स्पीच जो कंप्लीट होता है वहाँ हम यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ लेट अस सी द एग्जाम्पल. द टीचर सेड लेट अस प्ले अ गेम टुडे. व्हाट द टीचर सेड कि let us play the game today. Those words are spoken by teacher. Okay, so that is quotation mark, that will come under quotation mark. And the principal said to the student, I am happy to see all of you. Okay, those words are spoken by principal, so that will come under inverted commas. Okay, quotation mark. See, I के आगे जो marks है, जो quotation mark है, that is called open inverted commas. और I am happy to see all of you, you के पीछे जो है that is called close inverted commas. Okay, so quotation marks are also known as inverted commas, and inverted commas are like two, a close and open inverted commas. Okay, thank you.